Hi dears, welcome back. Okay, in today's video people actually complain a lot to me that this peeling oil darkens them whenever they make use of the peeling oil. After it has peeled off their dark knuckle, toenail and elbow, at the end of the day they find out that it darkens back. Yes, that is the nature of this oil. That is how the oil is. Honestly, I need to be sincere with you. That's how it is. I in particular have experienced it. Okay, so when it happens, what do? So that's why in today's video, because lots of complaints that it darkens back and all that, so I want to share with you what I did and what I use, that I do not have that dark knuckle, even the dark toe anymore. There's something that I did, so I'm going to be sharing with you. Before we start, please, if you've not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please help me to subscribe, because that will really help me. That will show YouTube that more people are getting to know me, and they will also suggest my video to more viewers, and it will help me a lot. You know what I'm talking about. So please help me to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And so what I normally do, or what I did, and what I normally tell my customer to do, and what I do give to them to use after this peeling oil has peeled off your skin, because that is the nature of this peeling oil. Honestly, that's how it works. Okay, that's how it works. There is another product that I will be sharing my review with you people, and I will want you dear to share your own experience as well on that product, if you have used it before and it works or it did not work for you. So I will be creating video on that particular product. Okay, so this peeling oil, people say it darkens back. For me, I experience it. But you know, when you buy a product, like I normally say, read the label. This products will darken you back, because the producers knew that it will darken you. That's why they say after the peel off process you use a lightening cream. But if you are using it on your dark knuckle and your dark toe, and you are using a lightening cream that causes that dark knuckle, what do? So they didn't give a specific cream that you can use on it after the peel off process, because after the peeling process is completed and you are like, oh, because it has peeled off, my knuckle is clear now, my dark toe or darkening is clear, or the area that you made use of the peeling oil, oh, it's perfect now and all that, oh, let me leave it that way. 2 weeks or a week to 2 weeks, you see it starts getting dark again. So that's why I normally advise people, use it continuously. When you use it and it has peeled to the extent or to the level that you know, oh, I love it this way, get a lightening cream. Get a lightening cream and use on it. Not just lightening cream, but get facial cream. It's face cream that I'm talking about now, not just anyhow lightening cream, body lightening cream. No, I don't want you to use any body lightening cream, because most of the body lightening cream will actually cause dark knuckle. Go and get a good facial cream, face cream. The one I normally use is Carotone. I will be leaving the picture here. Carotone BSC. That is what I use. And I will add a little bit of nano half-caste serum. Okay, or if I don't see nano half-caste serum, I can use any other serum in it to mix with the Carotone BSC cream. Then I will apply on my dark knuckle, on my dark toe, depending on where I made use of the product on. That is after the peeling process is complete totally. I use it to blend everything. And another thing that you need to do, but if you cannot see Carotone BSC in your place where you are, in your country, just get a nice lightening face cream and add a good serum. Don't go and add serum that will cause more dark knuckle. If you cannot get a good serum, I will be listing some serum that is good, that you can make use with the carotone or with that your face cream that you'll be getting, that you apply on that place. And once in a while, another thing is you need to maintain the knuckle. There is nothing like permanent lightening cream. The moment you stop the cream that you are using, your skin would return back to the way it used to be. So there's nothing like permanent lightening cream, permanent whitening cream. There is nothing, absolutely nothing like that, okay? So once, let's say 3 times in a week, you apply that on your knuckle just to maintain the knuckle. You need maintenance. Without that, your knuckle will return back. And the third thing that you need to do, please stop the body cream that you are using. But if you know that the body cream, is so nice on your skin, you don't want to stop it. After you finish applying the cream on your body, you wash your hands, wash your knuckles, so that when you wash your knuckle, you will not have dark knuckle. After you finish applying the cream on your body, please wash your hands. After you wash your hands, use a moisturizer. The day you don't want to use your face cream on the dark knuckle, you can just use any moisturizer that is not lightening but natural. This thing, just use it. But 3 times in a week, please try and apply. Or you change your cream. If you don't do that, if you know it's stressful for you to be using a lightening cream on your knuckle 3 times in a week, change your body cream, please, because it's most of the knuckle that we are having is body cream that gives us this knuckle, not even soap. So change your cream. If you cannot change your cream, do the other way around. So that is the perfect way for you to get results without the reoccurrence of the dark knuckle again. Without that, the knuckle will become darker. That's why the producer say, after it has peeled off your dark knuckle, make use of lightening cream. But I suggest that you use a lightening face cream on it and boost it up with a lightening serum, which I will be listing the good ones that I know for you, okay? So that way you maintain your knuckle or you change your body cream. So whichever one. If you have more questions concerning this oil, please feel free to ask me. And if you've not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please help me to do so. Help me to do so. I will appreciate that so much. So that's the next video I'm going to be creating on this peeling oil. I will be creating the video on how you can directly import this oil to your country, even to your house, direct from China to your house, irrespective of any country that you are. So subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you won't miss that update. So remember, good skin begins with good health. Do take care of your skin, do take care of your health. See you in my next video.